Have you ever wondered how sunflower oil, a staple in many of our kitchens, is made in large quantities? Sunflower oil is more than just a cooking essential. It's a versatile ingredient, playing a starring role in a variety of industries, from food manufacturing and cosmetics to pharmaceuticals and more. This golden liquid isn't simply chosen for its wide-ranging applications, it's also a favorite due to its numerous health benefits. Rich in vitamin E and low in saturated fat, sunflower oil is a heart-healthy choice that many households prefer. But how does this oil make its way from the bright, sunny fields of sunflowers to the shelves of your local supermarket? It's a fascinating journey, one that involves a lot of hard work, precision, and yes, a bit of science too. In the next few minutes, we will take you through the fascinating journey of sunflower seeds, transforming into the golden liquid we know as sunflower oil. Our journey begins in the sunflower fields, where the magic starts with the harvesting of sunflowers. Imagine a sea of vibrant yellow heads, each one ripe and ready to be picked. Timing is everything in this process. The harvest must take place when the sunflowers have reached their peak maturity, usually marked by the back of the sunflower head turning from green to yellow to brown. This is because the oil content in the seeds is at its highest, and the moisture content is just right. Harvesting is typically done with a combine harvester, an impressive machine that cuts and collects the sunflower heads, separating the seeds from the chaff. This process is a delicate dance of precision and care, as the quality of the sunflower oil greatly depends on the condition of the harvested seeds. Once harvested, these sunflowers are ready to embark on their journey to become sunflower oil. As the harvested sunflowers reach the processing plant, they are set to undergo a transformative process. Now imagine a bustling factory where sunflowers are about to embark on their next journey. First up, it's time to say goodbye to the husks. The sunflowers are cleaned and dehulled, which means the outer shell of each seed is meticulously removed. This process ensures that only the pure, nutrient-packed seed remains. It's a bit like peeling an orange, only on a much larger scale and with a lot more machinery involved. Once the seeds are cleaned and dehulled, we move on to the next stage. This is where the magic happens, where the seeds transform into oil. Our precious seeds are pressed under high pressure in an oil press. This machine applies force to the seeds, causing them to release their oil. It's a bit like squeezing a sponge, but instead of water, we're extracting golden, glistening oil. But it's not just about brute force. The temperature plays a crucial role too. The seeds need to be heated before and during pressing. This heat makes the oil easier to extract. Picture it like melting butter, it flows much easier when it's warm. The oil that emerges from this process isn't the clear amber liquid you're used to seeing on grocery store shelves. No, this is crude sunflower oil. It's cloudy and contains tiny particles from the seeds. But don't worry, this raw, unrefined oil is full of nutrients and has a rich, intense flavor. It's the real deal. Our sunflower seeds have gone through quite a journey. They've been harvested, cleaned, dehulled, heated, and pressed. They've transformed from small, humble seeds into a vibrant, nourishing oil. After extraction, we're left with crude sunflower oil, but we're not done yet. The oil still has a few more stops on its journey before it's ready to be bottled up and sent off to kitchens around the world, but that's a story for another time. Crude sunflower oil, while usable, is not the final product we see on supermarket shelves. It's a bit like a diamond in the rough, waiting to be polished to perfection. Let's delve into the fascinating process that transforms this raw commodity into the pure edible oil we know and love. First, we kick off with the degumming process. This is where we remove the gum substances in the crude oil. You see, sunflower oil naturally contains phosphatides, also known as gums, which can lead to the oil being unstable and cloudy. By adding water or a steam-heated mixture of water and acid, we can separate these gums, creating a more stable and clear oil. Next, we enter the neutralization stage. This is where free fatty acids are removed, as they can negatively impact the taste and quality of the oil. We do this by adding a caustic soda solution to the oil. This solution reacts with the free fatty acids, creating a soap-like substance which can be easily removed. Now we have an oil that's stable and has a better taste, but it's not quite there yet. The oil is still a bit cloudy, and for it to be truly appealing, it needs to be clear and bright. This is where the bleaching stage comes in. In this process, we mix the oil with bleaching earth or activated carbon. These substances absorb impurities and unwanted pigments, leaving the oil clear and golden. Finally, we have the deodorization stage. Here, the oil is steam distilled at high temperatures to remove any remaining odors or flavors that could detract from its quality. After this process, we're left with pure, neutral-tasting sunflower oil. So, from degumming to deodorizing, each step in the refining process plays a crucial role in ensuring that the sunflower oil we use in our kitchens and food manufacturing is of the highest quality. Now, we have a clear, golden liquid that's ready to be bottled, our final product, sunflower oil. So, that's the journey of a humble sunflower seed to the golden, nutritious sunflower oil. It's quite a journey, isn't it? We start with the harvesting of sunflowers, where fields of golden blooms are transformed into bundles of seeds. Then, we dive into the extraction process. This is where the magic happens, where those tiny seeds are pressed and squeezed until they release their precious oil. But the journey doesn't stop there. The oil, still in its crude form, needs refining. It's a meticulous process, removing impurities and ensuring the oil is safe and ready for consumption. And finally, the oil is packaged, ready to be shipped off to stores around the world. From the field to the factory, from the press to the bottle, every step is crucial in creating the sunflower oil we use in our kitchens every day. Next time you use sunflower oil, remember the fascinating journey it took to get from a field of sunflowers to your kitchen.